English Shortened Junior, May 1987. Test number 13. Start. Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to say a few words on the motion of thanks for the Governor's address to the legislature. First of all, I wish to express my thanks to the people of Tamil Nadu in general for having elected the members of our party in large numbers and helped us to form the government. I would in particular thank the voters of my area for having elected me as a member of the Legislative Assembly. On this connection, I feel that it is my duty to bring to the notice of the government that there was a proposal to take up the drinking water supply scheme in Nagaur at a cost of rupees 1 crore. During the visit of the Minister for Local Administration to that place, he mentioned that the scheme would be taken up with the financial help from the World Bank. But I am sorry to say that action has not been taken so far in the matter on account of the delay in taking up the scheme. The residents of the town as well as the pilgrims who visit the place in large numbers find it difficult to get sufficient water. I request the Honorable Chief Minister to kindly take into consideration the above difficulties of the people and issue necessary orders to the authorities concerned to give priority to this scheme and complete it on early date. The next point I want to refer to is about the industrial development. Everyone is aware that there has been steady progress in the matter of industrial development in our state. There is no doubt that increase in the production of electricity during the last few years has contributed very much to the growth of industries in the state. However, I would request the government to encourage the establishment of a number of industrial units in the small scale sector in the rural areas. I am of the opinion that by doing this, the economy of the people in the villages can be improved to a large extent. In this connection, I may also suggest that while granting permission to start small scale industries, care should be taken to see that permits are not given to those who are already running large scale industries, but on the other hand, these permits may be given to the educated persons who are now unemployed. Letter dated 5th March 1984 from the manager, Venus Construction Company, Sardar Patel Road, Madras, to Messrs. Jacob and Company, 10 Rajaji Road, Madras. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your letter of the second instant, requesting us to furnish you the information regarding the building that is being constructed by us in Anna Salai. We note from your letter that you are interested in occupying the entire second floor of the building for the use of your company. We would like to inform you that we can allot you the floor desired by you at a cost of rupees 500 per square feet. If you are agreeable, please let us know your willingness or otherwise at an early date, as there is demand for flats from a number of parties. We are in this line of